Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update firmware on your Apple Watch Series 11. To do it, first you have to open the app library by pressing the digital crown. Then you have to scroll down to Settings, then tap on this app, and in Settings you're gonna have to scroll down to General, then open it. Next, go to Software Update and check if your device has any updates. Of course, make sure that you have any internet connection on your Apple Watch. To do that, press the side button to open the control center, and here you can check if your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. If you hold your finger down on this icon and check if there is a network that your Apple Watch is connected to, or you can check if the mobile data is enabled instead, if you're using mobile data. So if there is an update for your Apple Watch, you just have to tap on it to start downloading and installing it, and it will be downloaded and installed in a moment. Usually it takes some time from half an hour to a couple of hours, and so once the update is downloaded and installed, your device will restart, and then you'll be able to use your newly updated Apple Watch again. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.